Tapos na guys yung misa at pauwi na kami. Ayan, ang daming nagsimba. Ayan. Papahinga yung pamangkin ko kasi medyo nahihilo siya. Oh.
Pinipilit mo naman kumukaan.
Nilalagnat siya guys. Kasi nagsama siyang magsimba. Gusto niya magsimba. Kaya, pero paunti-unti nahinto siya pag lalakad kasi nahihilo pa siya. Pero naglalakad na kami guys pauwi ng bahay. Kakatapos ng mass na pang 6 to 7. May God bless us all guys. Thank you for always supporting me for all my accounts. And mega love shout out to all. Have a blessed Sunday everyone. Especially to my sister in Kuwait. Mega love shout out to you my dear sister. To Mr. Gary Lee Rachberg. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you for always supporting me. And you know, you are always welcome to me. And I always supporting you, but no matter what happen. Mega love shout out to Mr. Randy Venezuela in Canada, to Ma'am Merlinda Suzuki in Pampanga, to Ma'am Bing in Japan, to